it's always a bad thing.
Good morning, USU Eastern.
Good morning.
And Kylie slept on our floor.
It's actually really comfy.
Yeah. Because Hope's rug is amazing. It's from Costco, right?
Yeah.
Costco.
These beds are awful to sleep in. Oh, I have a face mask on.
That's just what she looks like under her
That's what I
makeup.
look like every day.
Emma, you want to tell us what happened?
I was getting ready when out of nowhere a horrible screeching noise just started screeching, you know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
So then we ran out of the building because it was on fire. The building was on fire. So now we're out here and Corey doesn't have shoes.
Hey Hopers, how's it going? It's great. Do you think they're really gonna get mad at me? No.
Yes, Corey, they're gonna
I'm mad at you.
Do you think
You're
they're
gonna
really
get
mad at
arrested.
me? Oh shoot. Just got real.
Real. Sick.
Okay. I was actually really scared. I didn't want them to come talk to me because I was really nervous about that.
It's really steamy in here.
Okay.
I'm really sorry.
Is your fan working here?
Yeah.
Were you running it?
No. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
It's fine. Just
Alright, so Emma and I just got out of church. We're going to see what's on the menu at the cafe. And if they're letting us in for free because we like free food.
Just walking over there. Looks like I'm wearing a turtleneck. It's kind of a turtleneck, but not at the same time like a scarf sweater.
Wow.
You know? Like it's
an
really
accessory
cute.
and
I
a shirt
just
all in
got
one.
it yesterday.
Alright, so we're just mad chilling in the dorm here. We ate some noodles, waiting for everyone to get back because they all left us and went to breakfast. And there they are. They're pulling in. Oh, they're waving.
Ah.
Hey, guys!
Oh, the sun just came out. Man, this is like
We'll see you next time, buddy boy.
Bye.
Have a good night.
have a good
Bye.
life.
Drive safe. Remember who you are and where you came from.
Always. Look at that banana.
I'm in a dress. There they go. They leaving. Bye, buddy boy. Oh, buddy boy. You'll be okay. Let's make some Rice Krispie treats and get some boys over here.
Maddie, it's only 4 days.
Look at that, 99 views. 99, one away from 100. Woo! We should celebrate. I say Rice Krispies. Sick.
Look how good that looks.
Ooh, that looks so good, buddy boy. You want to tell the viewers at home how to make this?
So you put butter in the pan, and then you put the marshmallow. Wait till it melts. Then you put the marshmallows in there. Wait till the marshmallows are a little stirry, they're a little sticky, and then you pour the Rice Krispies in there. Mix it all around, and you get Rice Krispies.
Wow. Do it.
I'm not that cool. No, you don't mean.
JP.
I was trying to be nice.
JP, why did you do that?
It wasn't me, honestly. I was like, no. I have video footage. of it.
Look at that sunset, would you? Look at that.
Wow! Wow!
Wow. Oh, wow.
Wow! Oh! Wow!
Gorgeous. So cute, buddy boy. Buddy. Buddy boy. Hey, the vlog. All right, so we watched the movie. Oh my goodness, we watched. Have you seen If I Stay? Oh, Haley's here, by the way. She's home. Oh my gosh, worst movie ever.
Well, I don't know. I kind of like it, but like at the same time, it's like that was an awful ending.
Yeah, the ending made me
It was
so
like, it was like,
fucking
it was
mad.
a really cute like idea.
Yeah,
The
okay, I
ending-
like the movie. The ending just pissed
the
me
ending,
off.
yeah, the
I mean, it
ending
made
was
me
like-
angry. I don't say pissed. Anyways, my hair is not looking good today. But,
I actually did my hair today.
wow. Very impressed.
Yes. Update this because I never actually do my hair.
Like, I wore a hat yesterday and then I didn't wash my hair, so it's flat from my hat.
Yeah, I hate that.
Anyways, we watched that movie. We did our packet, and then we started watching Age of Adeline.
I love that movie.
Yeah,
That's
we
one
haven't
of the
finished
times
it yet.
I love that movie.
But, and then I finished my homework. We all did, except for Hope. And JP was here, and we offended him, so he left. And we feel really bad. I feel really bad. And then we called him Stuart Little.
It's just butthurt.
Yeah, I feel really bad though. Sorry, JP. We take it back. But yeah, so now Haley's here. She's making food to eat.
Some overnight oatmeal,
Overnight oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
Fancy.
Chia
Fancy
seeds.
ass.
yogurt,
Wow.
other yogurt, strawberries.
Wow. Cooking with Haley. That's what we call this segment. And then we're going to Betos. Betos? Betos. Betos. So yeah.
Hold on, don't.
Okay, sorry. See, you can see yourself in the reflection. That's really nice.
This is so cool because you guys have no clue like what I'm looking at, huh?
Mm-hmm. Those are the best kind of sunglasses. I have some
You can
like
look at
that.
anything and no one knows,
Yeah.
but that could be a bad thing.
It's always a bad thing.
I purposely,
Wait, what just happened? How do you spell involved? I don't
I
think that's
purposely
right.
put them in place so.
Right, we're back at the dorm. I'm back, and now Emma's here.
I'm
Yeah.
having a sleepover.
Woohoo!
this
Party
round.
hard. Hope Bruce is there in her bed.
Hey. I just got a Snapchat from Emalicious 80.
Oh.
What could it be? Don't do that. Noise complaint.
Oh.
Whoa. You're like a
I could
robber or
rob,
something.
really? I could rob.
That's wow.
Corey, would you like to explain what's going on? Okay.
Alright, so we're ending last night's vlog because we didn't end it last night because I don't know what happened. We were crazy. And then we just went to bed.
Did you get
And
any of
then-
that in the vlog?
I think I got a little bit.
Because that was freaking insane.
Yeah, the floor was lava and we were jumping around. It was crazy. So yeah, so now we're ending last night's vlog. And the next vlog is gonna be crazy. I don't think we're vlogging today because we're not really doing anything today, but if we do, I will vlog it and it'll be awesome. And if we don't, then I'll vlog another day and it'll be awesome. And yeah, so good night.
Night.
Good night.
Night. I'm
Night.
watching the.